huge area, the size of about 100 football pitches.
Considered the second most powerful weapon after nuclear arms because of its coverage area, 60 hectares. These rockets can fly between 20 and 120 kilometers.
The BM-30 Smerch multiple rocket system launcher carried 12 300mm rockets, each weighing over 800 kilograms. The launcher vehicle weighs up to 44 tons, but it can still travel at 60 kilometers per hour. And once it's in position, the BM-30 Smerch launcher vehicle can fire all 12 missiles in just 38 seconds, and then be on the move again in only 1 minute to avoid an enemy counterstrike.